We've spent the past month exploring Michigan, and honestly, it's one of our favorite states. Between the salt-free beaches, endless wineries, and near-perfect weather, we're not sure there's a better state to spend the summer months. Through all of our exploring, there's one place that's continuously recommended, and we figured it's finally time to check it off our list. We're trading in the truck camper for a tandem bike while we explore Mackinac Island. Welcome to Living Large Camping.
What was that? Last time you guys saw us, we were at a brewery, which was a harvest host, and we had a fantastic night. Even met some viewers, and again, thank you so much for coming to say hi to us. But now we are on Mackinac Island.
We crossed over into the Upper Peninsula through Mackinac Bridge, and then we took the ferry over this morning to the island where we get to explore and take you guys along with us.
This is Connor's first time here. I've been here 1 or 2 times before, but I don't really remember it, so I'm very excited to explore again and just check out this amazing place.
The best way to see this island is by bike, so let's go check one out right now, and we'll tell you guys why here in a second.
The other great thing is that the ferry allows pets to come across, and we're gonna have a good day with him because we got him a new backpack to carry him around on the bike. But first, let's show you guys how we got here.
Opening in 1957, the Mackinac Bridge is the 5th longest suspension bridge in the world. Connecting Michigan's lower and upper peninsulas, this 5-mile-long bridge separates Lake Huron on the east and Lake Michigan on the west. The bridge suspends vehicles 200 feet in the air, where the water depths reach nearly 300 feet at its deepest point. It's made to withstand pressures of 50 pounds per square inch, which translates to wind speeds of roughly 600 miles an hour. A truly incredible piece of modern engineering. No, he's a rescue mix, not entirely sure. Hey, good morning.
Morning, how are you?
Great, how are you doing?
Good. You folks just going for the day?
Just
Yeah.
guys, yep.
Hang on to that so you can get out of the parking lot. You have your tickets for the
Cool.
boat?
Not yet.
That first building?
Okay.
Anywhere here on the left.
Okay, great. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Alright, so we are here. We're gonna hop on the ferry and take it all the way to the island. Let's do it!
I'm excited.
It's busy.
Busy.
Okay, so the reason we are renting bikes is because they do not allow cars on the island here. The way to get around is by bikes or horse carriages, which we've taken a couple videos to show you guys. So we actually are taking advantage and getting a tandem bike. We're so excited because we can't use our electric bikes here because they consider them kind of a motor vehicle. You can only use them if you have a disability. So we will be renting a tandem bike. Some new friends.
We have a water here.
Okay,
Oh,
thanks.
thank you.
What can I help you?
Good boy.
Yeah.
Yeah, 2 for men and 1 for women.
Here we go. You ready?
Come on. All right, so we picked up our tandem bike, even took it for a test spin, and we did okay on it. And we've also got Barkley in our new K9 Sport Sack. We have a ton of people recommend this for him, and I think it's going to work out great. So now we're going to go and I think try to loop the whole island, and then we'll get some lunch and explore the rest of the area.
It shows that looping the island is about 8 miles and you can do it in an hour, so I think that's pretty doable, especially with our fancy little tandem bike. And then we'll check out some cool things along the way.
Here we go. Between the tandem biking and all the stairs we're climbing, my legs are going to be sore tomorrow.
Also, not gonna lie, filming and going up these steps, I have to hold my breath so you guys don't hear me panting. So, pretty good. Boy.
I could dance with you beneath the stars. 'Cause when I want it, then I want you, I want you. Everything stops when you move like that. And I wanna get in close to you. It's what I'm gonna do. 'Cause right now in it, I feel kinda dizzy when I'm staring at you. And I won't look back, yeah. I don't care about the bad shit back home. It's Cincinnati, baby, I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here.
So we're about 7 miles in, and I think it's only like 8.5 miles like Amelia said earlier, but I'm very excited to get some food whenever we're done with this bike ride.
Our butts hurt just a little bit with these seats, so we're very excited to find some place to sit down a little more comfy.
Tandem bike is super fun though. Definitely kind of weird having weight on the back of it, but overall, it's been a really nice way to do it because she can film and not have to worry about it.
Perfect.
Everything stops when you move like that, yeah. Everything stops when you move like that, yeah. Everything stops when you move like that. And I wanna get in close to you. It's what I'm gonna do. 'Cause right now.
All right, we made it on the island, 8.5 miles in just under an hour. So pretty impressive, but we are exhausted and ready to find some lunch somewhere.
I think Doggy's ready to be out of the backpack too. So we just returned our tandem bike. We had a blast riding it. Kind of makes us want one. But when I was looking at bike rentals, it was kind of pricey, not gonna lie. But I have a little secret for you guys. If you walk a little further to Mission Point, they have bike rentals and they don't make you pay until you get back. So if you use the bike for the less amount of time or more time, they just charge you with that. And we actually only used ours for an hour, so it was $15. So, huge win.
Very reasonable and way less busy than if we'd have done it right off the dock where the ferry is. So yeah, if you've got the option to walk a little farther, I'd say it's worth it.
They could not have been nicer. They absolutely loved Barkley. Highly recommend. Cheers.
We just had a great lunch there after our bike ride, and we even had a drink there because we were still celebrating our 10,000 subscribers. So thank you all again for joining us and being here. But now it's time to continue walking around the island. We're gonna go into some shops and kind of see more of the touristy stuff because it's so pretty down by the ferry, and we just haven't seen any of that yet. So.
And we also were told that we have to try the famous fudge here, so we're gonna do a little bit of that.
Thank you. There we go.
Leaving. That's okay. We get to head back to our home and have a nice sleep and relax. We made it back!
Definitely are not the only ones in campers here, and it's nice because they actually do shuttle to and from some of the close campgrounds. We just weren't staying there tonight and we're moving to different spots, so it didn't make sense for us, but the parking was free anyway, so we were winning no matter what.
Yes, we ferried with Sheplers, if you guys couldn't already tell. Honestly, it was a smooth process. Everything was easy, free parking, shuttles if you park further. Win-win.
Well, we hope you enjoyed coming along with us as we explored Mackinac Island. I would have loved to be able to camp on there, but obviously there are no campgrounds and we can't bring the camper across, so we had to make do with just ourselves, Barkley, and a rental bike.
It's honestly exactly how we wanted it to go. Our top priority was to be able to bike around the entire island, and we are so glad we got that. And we got to do it on a tandem bike, which was even more exciting. But we did not explore the Grand Hotel, and we missed a few other top attractions, which we know that you guys might have wanted to see. So we will probably be back in the future.
We didn't get to go to Mackinac Island last year whenever we went through the UP, so we made it a real priority to at least get there for most of the day, and we were able to do that. But again, there's more to see, and I would love to go back next time we're in this area. We hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you all again for helping us reach 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. We are so appreciative, and we can't wait to continue sharing this lifestyle with you.
If you guys loved this video or just love Mackinac itself, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching, guys.
We'll see you next video. Hope you have a large day.
Bye, guys.